What's going on, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog. Well, today's vlog, I was, as you guys know, going to tell you, check out this new screen. Oh yeah, look at it. I'm gonna make this short, sweet, and simple. Do not get this screen if you want to keep all of your factory stuff intact. So for example, if you have a rear seat entertainment package here, this doesn't work anymore. For GM XM radio, has no plug, does not work anymore. For some reason, I don't know what's going on, we're not getting audio out of this. We have been playing with this, me and Mario, for hours and hours. It's like 2 in the morning. Mario just went home. The poor guy's tired. There is just a lot of flaws in this system right here. Also, you know, CD player. There's a bunch of different videos out there. They're all different, but I mean, you know, we're getting little issues here. Like, for example, my heated seat. My heated seat, when I hit this button, steering wheel warms up. But as you guys know, with the heated seats that have these Denali's, this light turns on. Well, this light didn't turn on. Also, a little problem we're having with this display is when I go to the, right here, let me get all this out of your way for you guys. So when I go to the lane departure does not work with this system for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Also, your hill descent control does not work. Now the reason I say this is, well, because when you hit it, it pops up on the screen. It does not pop up on here. Everything else, I mean, this thing has, don't get me wrong, it has a lot of features. This is pretty much what I've been playing with. All this is an Android tablet built in here. So I mean, I don't know, guys. Me personally, I'm getting rid of it. I'm going back to my factory. I'm not going to stick with this system anymore. I'm just missing way too many stuff. Especially, my main thing is my son. When my son sits back here, this is his main thing he looks forward to, is watching movies. I mean, loves driving the truck because of the movies. So, I mean, for me to put this and lose the movies for him, yeah, that's not going to work. That's not going to happen. So, I mean, I don't know, guys. It all depends on what you want. But when you do this, you are going to be missing a lot of options. Now, if you guys out there have like a basic, I've seen some like the work trucks, the SLT or something, where they just have like that little screen and it doesn't have anything, then go ahead. Go with this. You know, it'd be great for you. But for people that have like Denali's that have all these options. Oh, again, also my rear collision alert, you know, little laser that pops up, that does not work with this system also. So, I mean, and if there's somebody out there that can show me, prove to me that this stuff works, please call me, let me know, DM me, I mean, anything, because we've been playing with this. We called everybody, we called the manufacturer, and it just does not work. They don't have settings for that. There's a lot of stuff they said they're going to be updating with this. Another problem I have found also with this. So you see this beautiful, you know, I don't know what you would call this, like a kind of, sort of, charcoal or champagne, you would call this. Well, they have it on the side of the bezel. Well, guess what? You got to get rid of that champagne bezel. They send you a new one. You get 2 options, black or gray bezels that don't match anything in the truck. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm over exaggerating this, but to me, I mean, this is a hell to the no. To the no. Because, I mean, come on, really? Look at that. That's not even close. I mean, I already had to deal with this with my dang grill. I don't want to deal with it with the bezel now, guys. So, and I'm not going to wrap it. I'm not going to do anything like that. I don't want a bunch of different colors in the trucks. Maybe some of you guys are not going to bother me, but having all this nice champagne look and then having just this random silver that's just right in front where there's nothing else in that truck that is silver, it's another thing that's going to bug the crap out of me. So, as for me, guys, this system is not going to work. I am not going to install this. I'm going to take it out. You know, I'm going to call some more people. I'm going to do a little more homework, a little more research for you guys and see what's going on. But as of right now, this system is a hell to the no. Not going to work for me. So now we're going to sit and rip all this thing back apart again. And when I tell you guys, I mean, there's wires, you know, coming out of here. You had to pull, you know, we pulled all of this off down here for the OnStar. You got external speakers. I mean, you know, I have not found a company yet that has perfected something to OEM quality. I mean, you know, for an example, let me show you. I mean, there's so many wires. You guys saw the parts in the previous video, but there's just so much stuff that you have to install. You figure that you're going to be installing all of this stuff. You better, you know, I mean, this better be damn close to factory, and it's not. I mean, here's a CD player they make me take out. This is actually a CD and a Blu-ray player that they make me take out of this thing, which, you know, I mean, I've lost everything. I have nothing back there because I cannot. I'm guessing some of these are for the rear seat entertainment system, and I don't even have that no more. So, I mean, it looks like old girl. I know she doesn't look that good, but you know what? She's gonna have to go back in because, well, I get all the options with this, and you know, I mean, everything works. Everything works good. I'm happy with it. I've never had any problems with it. I know everything works. I mean, look at that. We got to run wires just everywhere, and it's just not worth it to me, guys. And this is my opinion, and I'm very curious on your guys' opinion. Let me know. Let me know if any of you guys have installed it. Let me know if you know anybody that's installed it. Let me know if, I mean, just, I don't know. I'm speechless. I just can't believe that for the price that you pay for this thing, you know, it says OEM quality. I would expect a lot better quality. I would expect a lot more options. I would expect everything to work. Okay, maybe one or few things, like, again, you don't get XM radio, so I know, I don't know if I told you it or not, but if you have XM, it's gone. Your only option is to probably get the XM app and then pay for the app, but then you got to pay for the Wi-Fi hotspot because it won't work without it. So you're not really saving any money there. They need to update a lot of stuff. This is not perfected yet. It is not a quality system in my experience. I'm not happy with it at all. Okay guys, now that Mario has finally arrived and I got to cool off a little bit about this whole radio situation that we're having here, well, we've decided we're going back to stock.
Yes, we have, guys.
Just too many flaws. Too many flaws with this system. I don't know, Mario. What do you think? What's your opinion on it? I can't do it, dude. I can't. I
mean, if you guys got a Denali, first of all, you guys know if you're buying a Denali, you're buying a Denali because you want it loaded. You're getting a vehicle that has all the perks,
the bells, the whistles,
and everything. You know, this. Was it Kiri Navi or Linky, whatever the hell?
I don't know what.
Whatever
Linkswell
Tesla knockoff it wants to be, better say.
Yeah, Linkswell, I think it was called.
You lose everything. You have nothing. If you have a fully loaded Denali, you're pretty much doing a downgrade.
I don't know, guys. I would wait. And you guys, I'm sure, are going to ask about the Alpine. No, I'm not getting the Alpine one either. I'm just going to stick with the stock OEM GM, you know, dash that comes with this thing. You know, just hopefully now everything goes good and still works once we're done here.
Yeah, once we go back to stock, I mean, everything will be good. And guys, you know, like Eddie said, I mean, at least for a Denali or anything that you're getting, that if you buy a truck or a vehicle that's fully loaded, bells and whistles, we strongly don't suggest you get this. But if you do have a base model or like a LT model or LS,
yeah, so the ones that come with like those little square screens that have no Navi, nothing.
Exactly. If you guys have something that you don't have Navi, don't have a nice system, yeah, we'd probably recommend it for that. But for something loaded like this, no, not at all, you know.
I mean, and for me, I love, like, when I'm on the way to the desert, you guys know, or the river. I mean, I use my XM radio a lot. And, you know, they want you to download the application. They say, oh, okay, well, it's cheaper. You know, you download the app. Well, that app needs internet. I mean, and yes, I have the Wi-Fi in this truck, but people that don't want to pay for the Wi-Fi, you know, how does it make it cheaper? Now you have a monthly fee of the Wi-Fi and a monthly fee of, you know, your XM radio. So to me, that doesn't make sense, nor does this system make sense. So we're just going to put everything back to stock. We'll be right back after, you know, we're done putting it back to stock and make sure everything works. And hopefully everything works and we didn't, you know, mess anything up over here.
Nah, we'll be good. I mean,
it's an easy installation. If you guys do want it, it's not that hard. It's basically plug and play. There wasn't, you know, much crazy stuff. I know you guys saw all like the crazy wiring and everything all in here. But honestly, everything, you know, Mario's just plug. That's about it. Running a couple wires here and there. All this plastic just all pops off by clips. I think, what'd you take off? Like 4 bolts out of all of this?
I think in total, was 9 bolts.
9 bolts. I
9 bolts.
mean, there's a lot of stuff taken apart. You guys see up
rest
there
of
the
it
A
is
pillars.
It's all clips.
Yeah, so it's not a difficult job, but just, you know, I guess stay tuned and we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know if I find anything else. True test right here. Make sure my son's TV's working. Look at that. You guys see that? There it goes. So we got our rear seat entertainment back. Make sure it works up here. Go to video. All right. Let's see. I think we have to go to. No, so how I do, I got a little USB drive, and oh, yep, there it is.
I don't get it. For a clownfish is not that funny.
Okay, let's see. Make sure it's playing back here now too. There you go. Okay, well, we're good to go now, guys. Looks like I'm gonna be back with the old stalker here because well, that one just not working. Another thing, guys, about that Linkswell, the biggest flaw was every time you would hit something, there was a big delay, a big lag. I mean, like this, boom, you hit audio, audio, hit the home, home, nav, nav. That thing, when you would hit home and then hit like phone, it would sit and it would like load, load, and then it would go. The like, I don't know, the software or whatever on that thing was very, very slow. So, but I mean, everything's working, XM's working.
And for you guys out there gonna ask or say, well, is there an update? Yes, we were up to date on the latest software on that tablet as well.
Yep, it was up to date. Everything is working. Well, I think that's about it for us, Mario.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. That is our review on that product. So, highly suggest don't buy it if you have a Denali. If you have a Denali, stick with the Denali screen until I tell you guys this works great. I found one, it's beautiful, it's working amazing. Get it. If not right now, just leave your Denali alone. Don't touch it. Not even the Alpine.
Even if you guys have a loaded vehicle that's not Denali and you have all the bells and whistles, don't go for it. Yeah. We suggest this for base models or maybe like work trucks and you want to make it look good or something like that, but not something you already spent quite a bit of money from dealership to have factory OEM loaded up.
Yeah, just leave it alone, guys. But that's all we got for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. And if you guys have, I don't know, any info on that, comment down below. Let me know. Also, let me know if you know anybody that's rocking with that system. I'm very curious to know how he's liking it. If you guys got any info on it, comment down below, please. I'm very, very interested. But thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.
Yeah.